Welcome to Beauty, Body and Being with me, Kirti Chakoti. To be an organic farmer, first thing I understood is you have to be as native as possible. So I have understood that we should go for native seeds to cultivate vegetables, rice and other pulses. So it was a struggle to even find the seeds because now hybrid goes more because of many reasons, and the desi seeds are almost invisible in the market. So there are some exhibitions where organic farmers meet up, they exchange seeds in very less quantity, hardly 1 kg, and to multiply and then use it in our own farm. So that is how we actually started with a variety of vegetables which are native seeds, then rice and pulses and so on. We also got turmeric, which was 60 years old, in organic cultivation, and that is also a native seed. So that is how we've understood, and we've so passionately got into that agriculture, creating all the native seeds, and that was wonderful experience for us to know how actually vegetables look. So after cultivation, when you actually sow the seeds, the first thing is treating the land. So it has to be with mulching, and has to be firstly organic. So the land which we have taken was a virgin land, so it was not much of any treatment needed. If there is chemical farm already happened, then it takes at least 3 to 4 years for it to convert to organic soil. Luckily we saved that time, and when you sow the seeds, before the seeds could even sprout, you will see a lot of weeds and grass and all that growing. So that has to be manually plugged, and making sure that whatever we sow the seed has to sprout, and these weeds should not take up all the energy and the nutrition. So after the seeds sprout and manually plucking every 2 weeks all the weeds, that itself takes manpower cost. Now we had to really educate ourselves in understanding how to make organic pesticide with different herbs, and making kashayams, enzymes, and then spraying for different types of crops. There are different ways and procedures. So we had to learn, and we had to teach our team also, because all the farmers who worked for us, most of them have always done farming, and they've got into losses. Some of them sold their lands, and some are left with chemical farming continuing there. So we had to learn and educate them, and there are times where people would laugh at us, saying that this will not be economical to you, and you're actually wasting your time learning all this, because nobody values genuinely organic. And but still we didn't give up, because we know the value of what best the nature can offer. So continuing our learning in organic farming, and implementing that in many ways in the field, we could understand that yes, the price which we put in to cultivate is definitely higher than what a farmer who uses chemicals earns. So that was a challenge which we actually realized slowly. Having desi cows is also very important in organic farming, because the cow dung, the cow urine is so nutritious in the soil that they develop good enzymes, good bacteria, and you will see abundant earthworms. Overall, we have understood cultivating noni fruit, vegetables, pulses, paddy, and the spice, turmeric. We have understood that everything, when you're organically cultivating, is such a manual work. Picking up the weeds, there the labor cost is high. Then making your own sprays is again educational, and also we have to make it ourselves, which is again manpower. When it's vegetables, every day plucking also is manpower. Uh, and whenever we hire people, they charge us more because it's more of manual work than any other conventional farming. So by the time the product comes to our hand, it almost would cost double price than what the neighborhood farmer would spend money for. And the yield would be less because the grading is so much, because people who want to buy vegetables, they want them to look fresh, they want them to look brighter and in good shape. But when you cultivate desi seeds, they are in different shapes, in different sizes, and faded colors, and they do damage in the logistics because of the tender skin they have. Organic vegetables don't rotten. They dry and get wrinkled. Thank you for listening. With this, I conclude this episode. See you soon.